My name is Edilson Vega Patiño. I am 42 years old. I feel especially motivated to work in the renowned and prestigious company at a national and international level in beautiful sector. I am qualified to fill vacant position of maintenance uh, planner. I had 20 years of experience in the maintenance area. In recent years, worked in maintenance workshop in planner and programming in the industrial part, mostly in the mechanical area. I am mechanic Sena from Sena, technologies, industrial logis, not graduated from the National Open and Distance University, currently in the ninth semester of industrial engineering. I like to consider my application for future selection process. I I love in part in the STEAM. I will be happy to spend my profile if right, so the will contable and the phone number in the mail registered and my curriculum. Thank you.